just a little bit more.
Oh my god.
Do you feel
Like a pulling, like a tugging right here.
tugging?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Or like a pinch.
We have Amelia here. If you call the office, this is the young lady that would probably answer.
Oh my god, dude.
Is that painful?
Whoa, yeah.
From all the stress that she's causing me, this is what I get to do to her.
This is probably because he's stressing me out so bad. Oh my god.
Now do it. Go to the left.
That's
Different?
better. Yeah.
Okay. There's just a little bit more.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Let it tilt. Now check it.
Mm-hmm.
Better?
Yeah.